it's your girl Colleen, and we have landed in Portland. Good job.
We have found our first coffee shop called Just Pop. Just finished breakfast. Victor's so smart. He ate light because we're gonna try various restaurants and check out what they got to offer. Me, on the other hand, started strong. That little scramble filled me pretty well.
Tell me what you need and we can go there. Only for the weekend. I just stepped out with my friends. Don't tell me that you're leaving.
Guys, Victor got an art piece for the apartment.
Is that not the sickest thing you've ever seen in your life?
It's freaking cool. Kind of matches your steez right now with the color.
So dog.
So dog, it looks tight.
Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright.
Cool place, I like it. Gift shop, art shop, and museum.
It's alright. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little thing for you and I.
So we made it to our Airbnb for the weekend. I gotta say, it's super freaking cute. I'm in love with this background. It's just so cozy. It's actually quite warm in here, I will say, but it is a greenhouse, so what can you expect? The plants look very happy. They just look so alive and welcoming. It's just so beautiful to be in here. Like the natural lighting, chef kiss, I just love it. It's very cozy. Yeah, I really like it in here, but this is just the introduction. This is probably where we'll just kick it in the mornings, relax. But let me show you the inside. So that's just where we came out of. Inside this room, there's actually AC, so it feels way more refreshing in here. Bathroom, toilet, and then we have the sink right here, a little mini fridge corner, and this cute little snack area that they set up for us. So they gave us some snacks, everything we need to make a coffee or some tea, and then a little microwave. We got a rental car, because that's just how we do things. I did not have time to fix up my hair, so hopefully it doesn't look crazy. This is the Airbnb, except we're only like on the side. Going on this dinner cruise around all these historic Portland buildings, and they're gonna narrate where we're at, what it's known for, etc. They're gonna feed us a 3-course meal, starting with a bread roll, salad, and dinner. Let's go. Damn, what is that, son? Show them what it is.
Dinner rolls, bro.
Oh my gosh, dinner. Dinner rolls, my guy. They got like vegan garlic butter and stuff. We're so fancy. We are here on this really nice cruise dinner line. Everyone's so friendly. I like when you wave at people on the dock and they wave back. You know what I mean? Like it's just like you see each other and then you react, and it's really fun. Look at that sun. It's about to set. It's so pretty. Lighting's just so insane right now.
This Moscow meal is really insane right now.
You know it's serious when Victor busts out the camera.
Enjoy.
Is it good? Cut it out.
Over on this side, it's Victor's birthday. Happy birthday, Victor.
Victor! That's my dream home. Happy birthday. It's a birthday boy. Happy birthday. Victor is the director, but one thing that he cannot direct is nature, but he can capture destination. Isn't there a song that says, I'm on a boat?
What?
Isn't there a song? How would you describe that, sir? How would you describe that fountain?
There's a hole spilling water. It's gorgeous.
It's so pretty. I bet with some lights, this would really pop. We're in the city of Portland for his birthday. And there's a fountain. I'm absolutely destroying this. This is so good.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Cool Cat Colleen. Totally forgetting to vlog because she was all up in that biscuit, man.
Yo, that biscuit crazy.
Biscuit, bro.
On the road again. We're just around the bend. We're about to see the top of Horseshoe Falls. It was a 0.4 mile hike. I think if you're somebody who loves to hike and work out, it would be pretty easy in the first half and pretty moderate in the second. You could definitely pick up a sweat on the last half. It gets a little steeper, but the views are amazing and very worth it. Ooh, I like that fern. Double rainbow. All the way. Let's go see the backside of water. Y'all ain't never seen the backside of water like this before. You see that? You see that?
Is your mind?
Right now, we're going through a tunnel called your mom's hole.
Wow. Fool. I'm trying to get monetized on this
Oh,
channel.
sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Oregon Gorge.
It's called the Wanata Gorge, I think.
Why not?
Oh, look at it. There's a little piggy there. Somebody do a little piggy. Alright, you ready to see me run? You ready to see me run?
Right back.
I'm eating a handmade blackberry Pop-Tart versus a traditional PB&J, but I'm going to consider this a level up. Like a 2 3/4 hike, super easy, downhill. Very nice view.
Did that.
Did that. day 3. We are going back into Portland to get some breakfast from a food truck. Today's supposed to be a farmer's market, so we're just gonna like walk around, check it out. Want to do some shopping, want to do some thrifting, some more eating. The food here has been incredible so far. The Thai restaurant we went to yesterday, bomb.com. The Wagyu is insane. That's the plan. Let's go. We're at the wait.
Got that egg zeppelin.
No.
Smells
Like protein spirit. It's got like sausage and such.
Yeah. You hear that person yelling? That's how good it was. Yeah, those tree stumps to make them dams.
Look at courthouse, so gorgeous.
Yeah. It's like a whole zoo.
Yeah.
There's the duck pond.
How cute! I love ducks. They're so cute. Look at these seals. Over here, I got a tiramisu latte.
Hey, Stacy. Talk to me, baby.
Alright, we got the tiramisu, and then we also have the black sesame with oats.
Alright, try them out.
That's delicious.
I want the tiramisu.
Oh, okay. That's delicious. I like them both. Jazz. How do you feel now that you've seen the statue you've been wanting to see?
Amazing.
What a trippy point of view.
What we have here is the statue of Port Arthur.
Okay, so we just walked through Portland and finished our coffee. Got a matcha because they had a sign in their store that said best coffee in Portland. And yeah, I don't know, I ended up with a matcha. But now we found ourselves in this really pretty garden. Isn't it cute? I like that this area is like sanded, but then they have little walking trails between gardens and koi ponds. It's just so pretty in here. Ooh, look at that tree. I like that. I want a tree like that in our home, okay? And then you have these gorgeous little purple flowers, and look at this bee. I'm getting that honey. I like this area.
Bike time?
Bike time. Look at how pretty this bench is. It's just like covered. Oh my gosh, what a cute bench. We're doing a little adventure side quest to find the Ole Bole Troll, and we found him.
Yerp.
We found him. He's behind the trees. Troll booty.
So funny.
He's so big.
I thought there was more.
There's more. They're all up in Seattle area.
Hello, friend. How are you?
That was so cool, man.
It's a troll.
Something smells so strong it hits me. Almost makes me stumble. Could it be the little people cooking something smelly in the big red cookie jar so I can put them in my belly? Goodbye, friend.
When Sarah
Southwest
really
Taylor's-
wants you to make that left.
Head northeast on Southwest Olson Road toward Southwest 80. Head northeast on Southwest
This is what I've always aspired to see along the Oregon coast. Beautiful. fun fact, but the Goonies was filmed here, right? The ending scene? The finale?
There's a part. It's been a long time since I watched the movie, but yes.
We're gonna have to watch it again.
If we ever get through Free Willy first.
Yeah, we're watching Free Willy, which is also filmed here in
It's taken us
Oregon.
2 days to watch it.
Yeah, well, you know, we watch it right before we go to bed, and I be getting sleepy.
Doesn't mean it's a bad movie.
It's a great movie. We love it so much.
Not that much.
Yo, I like it. I like it. Victor, we just got like a meal right here. We got grilled chicken, mac and cheese, and oyster shooters. Oh my gosh, the steam. Some fine dining and breathing right here.
It's pretty good.
Very smoky.
Yeah. Oh wow, there's a lot of cheese.
Wow, and it's steaming. Okay, so just finished up with the restaurant and try to go to Sunset. Let's see if we make it. Whatever you want, what's up?
What's up?
Coolest waiter ever, bro. Tell him
That's
what's good.
funny, bro. That's awesome. That's
Yeah,
cool. I
thank
love
you.
Whimsically.
Just whimsically in Oregon Cannon Beach. We are here at live at Oregon in Cannon Beach, Oregon. It is 7:36 p.m. and all the humans are lining in harmony to watch the sunset together in unity. The end. Namaste. How do you feel to be a human coming together, united with other humans to watch the sun go down?
Feel surrounded by hippies.
I'm totally
Just
kidding.
kidding. It's fun.
It's fun, isn't it? Doesn't it look like we're all just going to the
It's
light?
like a golden butthole.
Like when God comes, this is how I imagine he's gonna arrive.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
It's gonna be cold.
Like, doesn't it look like a pretty like?
With some corn on the floor. Too.
Even the clouds, like the clouds are shaped like a sunset. You
Like
see
an
that?
eyeball.
It's like half a flower. It's like dark and light. It's like harmony.
It's like an eyeball.
Victor, how cute is that?
No, just kidding. I'm sorry. Maybe we can do it. We can do it.
You're funny. His dog go out into the sunset. Look at that sunset. The prettiest thing. And then we got the rock over there. Victor and I are at the sunset, right in the center.
Center of the sun's butthole.
We gotta make it weird, man. What is that? Put that away. Victor, no! No, put it away. I forgot we even had those. You're stupid. Don't you dare ruin that shot. Victor. Like, why?
What are you doing?
Victor. I'm like, can you tell that's a sunset? Sunset.
What are you doing?
Tasting the sun.
Hey, look at that.
Hey,
See?
look at that.
There it goes.
Ooh, with the bird in the back? Damn, son.
Oh, this is recording. He looks like he got caught by his mom. When they opened the door and she's like, "You smoking?" And he was like, "No."
This song is so freaking good. I got your waters. Only the best. Saratoga here. Welcome to your 4:30 a.m. routine. Just kidding. I'll be right back with your food. This food slaps. last morning in Portland. Victor had a great time.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, we had a great time. It was super awesome over here. There's so much to do out in Oregon in general. There's a lot of nature, a lot of shopping, a lot of good food. Oh, the river bend was super sick. Like riding the bikes by the river was super cool.
Probably my favorite.
Yeah, probably one of our favorite activities out here for sure. Obviously all the waterfalls that were back to back on that highway, that was super freaking cool. The only thing is I gotta find a thrift shop, man. It seems like all the thrift shops over here are a little pricey. Expect $20 plus.
They're not called thrift shops, they're called vintage.
Oh yeah, some of them.
That vintage tax.
Everything's been dandy. We're gonna get some breakfast at the place to get breakfast in Portland. Screen Door. They got chicken and waffles and other breakfast items like that. So let's see if it's fire. I'm expecting it to be fire though. That's what I needed right now. Come this way.
Come to this new adventure. Coincidence?
I think not. Can't tell me that don't look like a marijuana leaf. I gotta watch my step now because I already tripped.
Yeah, it was fell off the cliff.
Thought I was done, guys. I thought my vlog was gonna end here.
I'm just kidding, Nora. Jardo.
It's just a joke.
Always safe.
Stay on your path. I wanna follow these stones. So I just really like this background. I wanted to show y'all. It's overlooking the pond that we just saw. I was gonna say koi pond, but I haven't seen any koi. But it looks like the type of pond that you would put some koi fish in. There's a bunch of water striders. I just saw a really big one, like a mega water strider. And then I seen like medium sized and then the baby water striders. This might be a water strider pond. The end. I was sitting right about there. Continue on the journey, Victor.
Come.
So we're just sitting in this like indoor but outdoor patio. It feels like a communal patio because you could definitely fit more people. Like this is where you bring your family or your friends when they come over to visit. I really want one of these for my future house, for our future house. I really feel like the Japanese really understand Zen. They know how to chill. I feel so chill right now. Victor, how chill are you right now?
Pretty chill.
Pretty chill.
Pretty chill.
It's really mellow out here. I really enjoy it. It's crazy seeing the clouds and the reflection of the water. It looks like smoke. This is so cool. So huge. That's the biggest koi I've ever seen in my life. Whoa, bro, look at you. Y'all are eating so good. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is my favorite part of the garden for sure. This is the best part of the garden for sure.
Every time it like hits something like this. If you're not,
Turn around if you're not that down.
one-way path.
One-way path. Wow. Look at how cute. erected by the women of the United States in memory of Sacagawea, the only woman in the Lewis and Clark expedition, and in honor of the pioneer mother of Old Oregon. What up, friends? So this is the outro to the Portland vlog.
Energy up.
Energy's so up. We're going to the airport right now.
Yep.
To go to the Japanese garden was a 10 out of 10. What we recommend to all my friends would come back here again situations.
Yep.
By far, amazing way to end
Gorgeous.
this vacation. Yo.